El verbo ir, to go. The verb ir is the verb to go in Spanish. It is an irregular verb, so you need to study and memorize all 6 forms of this verb. There are no accent marks in the present tense form of ir. So ir means to go. We've kind of played around with this verb a little bit, and you've seen it come up, especially in Pobre Ana and other instances. So the first one is yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, and sorry for the handwriting, ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Okay. The verb is often linked with the word a in español or to. For example, I go to the pool with my friends. Yo voy a la piscina con mis amigos. Excuse me. When using the verb a, keep in mind the following contraction. A él equals al. Example, nosotros vamos al cine. The reason this contraction doesn't happen here, some of you might already know why, but if you don't, that's okay, is because piscina is a feminine in español, therefore it has the feminine form of the, la, and when you have a and la, no contraction needs to happen. However, cine is masculine, right? So you would have el cine, and because you have a el cine, remember, this cannot happen, therefore this becomes al. The contraction needs to happen here. Make sense? Al cine. Muy bien. Now, I want you to take some time to practice escribe en español. Practica en español. We go to the park on Mondays. If you need some time to do it on your own, please pause this video. Otherwise, I will move on right now. We es nosotros. We go es nosotros vamos, right? So, nosotros vamos. And then to the park, to the park is parque, which is masculine, so therefore you would have a el parque, but remember that becomes al parque los lunes. Okay. She goes to the library to study, so she ella va. Biblioteca, library is female, so you don't have to do any contracting there. A la biblioteca a estudiar. Okay. Muy bien. If you want to try the number 3 and 4, please pause this video now. If you decided to follow along with me, that's okay too. So let's do number 3. Número 3, juntos, together. Juntos means together, by the way. I think I say that word often. Excuse me for the pausing. I'm very sick, so sorry if you hear me cough. So my friends go to the gym after school. My friends is ellos, right? Mis amigos. They, right? They is ellos. Mis amigos, and that's why we're gonna use this, because my friends is they. Van, gym is gimnasio, which is masculine, so you can't, it would happen like this: el gimnasio. But remember, we cannot have this here, so this becomes al. Okay. Mis amigos van al gimnasio. Sorry for the brief intermission. I realized that I forgot the after school. As you can tell, my brain is not fully here today. My friends go to the gym after school. Remember, after is después. So mis amigos van al gimnasio. Okay. Después de la escuela. Muy bien. My mother and I go to church on Sundays. Mi madre y yo, we, so nosotras, vamos a la iglesia los domingos. See? I want you to try and unscramble the following sentence so that they make sense and are grammatically correct. So see if you can do this on your own. Gimnasio voy al yo. So we're gonna start with our pronoun yo. So I go to the gym. Yo voy al gimnasio. If it helps you, just translate these into English, and then that should help you adjust and unscramble them. So ella is she. So again, we're starting with our pronoun. Ella va a las montañas. Okay. Give you a couple of seconds. Pause here if you want to do the next one by yourself. Muy bien. If you want to go ahead and follow along with me, that's okay too. Or if you want to check your answer, this is our next one. Nosotros centro al vamos comercial. So nosotros is we, right? So nosotros, and then to go is vamos, the conjugated form, and then al centro comercial. Okay, centro is masculine, so this would be el centro comercial, but remember you can't have a and el next to each other, so that's why this contraction comes in. Okay, a sinagoga ellos la van. Remember, identify your pronoun, so ellos, and then to go, van, conjugation, excuse me, a la. Again, the al is not here because sinagoga is feminine, so we don't have to make any contractions there. Because it's la sinagoga, excuse me. Sorry that my handwriting is so bad. I'm trying to record and write at the same time. Again, vas tu cine al. This is our pronoun, tu, and to go. This is a conjugation, vas. And then al cine. Muy bien. Okay, and then we're gonna stop here for this, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with Pobre Ana so that we can do that together. If you don't get to finish this in class, you will have this video to finish at home as tarea, and follow along Pobre Ana so that we can finish the whole chapter.